can check the customer details, select customer summary, and you can see the outstanding payment. Cancel and go back to received voucher. Then you can type in their name or their number. And their details will pop up, and you can see the outstanding payment 23, and the amount they are willing to pay now is 10. The cash type, cash, the bank, and the description. You can add and save this script. Once you save this receipt, you can either print it, and you can go back and check their previous payment, and you can also see their balance have been updated. You can either edit or clear and go back, and that's it.